Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today is another behind the scenes extra chef bite episode of just getting to know me a little bit better. So, if you don't know, now you know. I am a May 4th baby, so I'm a Taurus. My birthday is coming up in a couple of days. So, this is officially now my birthday week. All the stuff you're about to see is all about my birthday. Sorry, not sorry. I used to be one of those people that did not really care about like celebrate my birthday as much. But then, honestly speaking, I had a health scare, and I think that just made me want to live life to the fullest even more. And so I celebrate every single year that I am blessed to be on this earth another year. So yeah, so my birthday week. So you're gonna see some, I would say, interesting but also entertaining videos coming up. It won't be your regular week of drops. Also, I want to talk about the fact that you need to realize that we speak things to existence so much. Like so many things are happening right now in my life that I'm just like, Jesus, I really spoke this into existence. This episode, I really just wanted to just jump on here and thank everyone for all the love and support that you've been pouring into the channel. Every like, every comment, every share, every video watch. The video views are literally the most important thing. And before getting into YouTube, I didn't even realize that like the watch time is what YouTube watches. And I will say that as a content creator, it is so much more work than people think. And if anybody out there is starting your content creator journey, first of all, keep doing it if you like what you're doing. For one, a lot of content creation is going to be throwing things out and getting nothing back. You know, you can go viral, and if you go viral, then more power to you. But if it takes luck, timing, and all kind of things to do that. So you have to keep creating, you have to keep putting out stuff, you have to keep going. And a lot of times it's just draining, man. And I think the idea of what a content creator does is very, oh, okay, you just post a video, then you just get it done. But it's not that. And a lot of us, and I'm speaking about myself as well, we are teams within ourselves. I shoot all of my content. I edit all of my content. I upload all my content around the world with spotty Wi-Fi. Shout out to working on cruise ships. I'm literally in Japan today. Um, it is so much more work than people think. So I think it's one of those things where if you are a content creator, sometimes it can feel like you're doing so much and getting nothing in return. And this is my word to other content creators today. You're doing a good job. Keep going. If it's something you love to do, it'll just be something you love to do and you keep doing it. And eventually your people will come to you. I've built my platform on Instagram. I built my platform on TikTok. I'm building my platform on YouTube. And the thing about it that I've learned is that it's patience, it's time, it's consistency, and it's also just not doing anything that doesn't align with who you are, because you never want to get caught up doing things you don't like doing. And I made that mistake a long time ago with meal prep kits. Like, sorry, meal prep kits just got a shot, but like I enjoy eating meal prep kits. I have friends. I have a really good friend who has an amazing meal prep kit line in New York. Shout out Chef Lean. If you're in New York, hit her up. Harlem. Like, I love the idea of what it is. For me personally, I hated doing it. Literally hated doing it. But it took me a while to realize that. And I think with content creation, it can be the same thing. Like, if you watch hopefully you watch my stuff, but if you're watching my cooking channel, it's like I cook things I want to cook. I also take suggestions from you guys and from Instagram and TikTok. I cook things I want to cook. Wednesday, tips and tricks, I do things that I actually get questions about in class because I teach on ships, culinary classes. On my podcast, I talk about topics that I want to talk about with people that I want to talk to. And I do listen to the outside world. Like, if you give me suggestions and things, I would try to work it in. But I'm saying that to say, like, I don't do the headline gossip on videos. I don't do the who's dating who. I don't do the stuff that does not align with who I am, because even if it were to give me clicks and views, I would have to continue doing that because that would be the audience that I accumulate. And I think that's one of the hardest things to realize, that you have to find your audience and stick to it. Um yeah. But I just want to give a little shout out to all content creators out there and give yourself some grace. And I hope that you are in a good space and continue creating content, because we all consume it. So, like, even me jumping on YouTube and doing all this is because, honestly speaking, like, I have been stalling it for a long time and I'm enjoying it so much. And I am very privileged, though, in the fact that, here's another thing too, I have full-time job. This is not my job, but to be transparent, I want it to be. I want this to be the transition. So I'm pouring in the time, the energy, and the effort, but I also don't have to worry about not paying my bills if you guys do not like, subscribe, and share my video. But I want to get to that point. All right, so I just want to give a little shout out to content creators, because I am in the process of, like, we're 3/4 of the way of a year into this YouTube channel. Just want to thank you guys. Also want to say, since it's my birthday week, it's also my book's birthday. So I dropped my book about 2 years ago on my birthday. So it means it's my book birthday. Now, if you want to give me a birthday present, I'm going to keep saying this on every episode and all the birthday episodes. Go ahead over to Amazon.com, check out my book, get a copy of this cookbook, and cook up some of the recipes. I will have the link pinned in the comment down below. But outside of that, I just wanted to hop on and talk a little bit about content creating. Thanking everybody for what you've done so far with my channel and, being here. I appreciate all of you guys. I really, really do. Yeah, let me know also in the comments what you want to see on Saturdays, because my thing is, I have some videos coming up for Saturdays, but this is my one slot where it's not really scripted. I don't really have a thing I can put in there, so I can start doing other stuff. I might start putting a little travel stuff in here. But yeah, I'm gonna have some fun with this going forward. And yeah, also, little side note for content creators, wrapping on back, don't get discouraged. If you listen to me and my uncle was on my podcast this week. So excited about that. He talked about failure and not being afraid to try. I literally fail so much. Here's the thing. Most successful people fail a lot. Do not get discouraged. What successful people don't do is give up or not try. So take that. That's your advice for the week. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and watch the videos. Those watch hours is what we get paid off of. So see you next time.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.